Granite, if you will. Granite is made up of a number of different minerals. One of the most significant of those, any guesses? What's that?
Iron.
Iron. There's certainly iron as part of it. One of the primary elements is quartz. You have different parts, dark, feldspar, some of the various minerals, but this is pretty typical of granite. So this is basically formed underground as a result of solidification of ultimately liquid material from under the Earth's surface. And quartz is a significant element of granite. So what happens in the big picture of La Quinta and the Coachella Valley over time, these mountains erode, the various particles, including quartz particles, break down. And another feature of our area, if we look over the side of the mountains, is a lot of sand dunes. And these are the sources of those sands, ultimately. So the breakdown of, in particular, quartz, which is a very hard mineral, it doesn't break down that easily, it's pretty resistant. So sand is the most, the largest particle size if you look at soil. And that sand becomes the source of all of the, what was at one time, the huge sand dunes that covered much of the Coachella Valley, and in La Quinta, at the bottom of the cove, the area where Rancho La Quinta is now, and that whole area, there were a few places left. All along Highway 111 was a giant sand dune. All of the material washing out of these mountains, particularly the Whitewater River and the Mission Creek watershed and the Thousand Palms watershed, especially for this area, on that side of the valley were large sources of sand. So basically it's a process of breakdown over time, but those sand particles ultimately end up on the valley floor and moving towards the Salton Sea. So that's one part of it.